In this video, we will walk you through the key features of the dashboard, including the Global View, Switch View, and Telemetry Dashboard. The Global View displays the health status of managed switches and AmpCon-DC servers. In the Switch View, you can check switch status, manage licenses, and track system tasks. The Telemetry Dashboard allows you to track real-time performance data from various network devices, such as port traffic, bandwidth utilization, and packet loss rate. Next, we will demonstrate the key features and data views in AmpCon-DC Dashboard. The Global View provides a high-level summary of the AmpCon-DC server status and the managed switch environment. It helps you quickly assess system health, recent events, and device connectivity. In the CPU, MEM, and disk sections, you can view the current status of the AmpCon-DC server, including CPU, memory, and storage. The CPU utilization and memory utilization sections show historical usage trends for CPU and memory in the AmpCon-DC server. The recent alarms section displays the latest switch alarms categorized by type and quantity. In the devices section, you can check the status of managed switches. Online indicates the switch is connected to the AmpCon-DC server. Offline means the switch is unable to connect. The Switch View offers detailed insights into switch configurations, license usage, deployment status, and system tasks. It's the main entry point for managing switch lifecycle and automation workflows. Now let's walk through each part of the Switch View to see what information is available and how to access it. Click Dashboard, Switch View. In the Config/Templates section, the total counts of various switch configurations and templates are displayed. The Available Licenses section shows the number of licenses currently available. In the Deployment and Lifecycle Workflow section, you can see the lifecycle transition process of switches and the total number of each state. Click Switch List to view all managed switches on the switch page. The Hardware Models, Deployment, and License Usage section provides a visual breakdown of switches across different lifecycle states. Under the System Tasks tab in the Deployment Tasks section, you'll find counts for each type of ongoing system task. Click Deployment to view activity for all switches details. In the Automation Jobs tab of the Deployment Tasks section, you can see the total numbers for different types of automation jobs. AmpCon-DC provides a centralized interface to monitor real-time telemetry data from all managed switches. The Telemetry Dashboard highlights key performance indicators like CPU load, memory usage, and interface traffic, allowing you to quickly evaluate switch health and overall network performance. Follow these steps to view telemetry data. Click Dashboard, Telemetry Dashboard, click the setting icon. You can designate the telemetry data types to display. Select a time range for the data display. Select Top X data for each telemetry data type. Thanks for watching.